A pastime is a way to spend time for yourself. Pastime is a word that has several meanings. A pastime can be an activity that is done for enjoyment. A pastime might be a hobby. A pastime could be a game. No matter. Whatever we mean when we say pastime, the main idea is that it is something that we enjoy doing, for pleasure. There are some pastimes that don't need a special place. Today, we will talk about pastimes that do require special places. They are fitness, bowling, skateboarding, swimming, martial arts, watching theatre performances, going to exhibitions, skating, and playing sports games. Words to learn: basketball court, bowling alley, cinema, fitness center, football pitch, ice hockey rink, martial arts club, museum, skateboarding park, skating rink, spa center, swimming pool, tennis court, theatre, volleyball court. Let's start with sport pastimes. To skate, you need to go to a skating rink. To play ice hockey, you need to go to an ice hockey rink. To play soccer, you go to a football pitch. To play volleyball, basketball, or tennis, you go to a court. To do martial arts, you go to a martial arts club. And to skateboard, you go to a skateboarding park. To play bowling, you need a bowling alley. All these places can be either indoors or outdoors. Sport is good, there's no doubt. However, some people are not keen on any particular kind of sport, but want to stay healthy. So what can they do? They do fitness, or take a spa treatment. To do that, they either go to fitness or spa centers. People who are more interested in culture than in sport prefer other pastimes. They watch theatre performances, films, and visit different exhibitions. Where do they do that? At theatres, at cinemas, and at museums. All pastimes are different. That's good because everyone can choose what he or she really loves doing. You haven't found your favorite pastime yet? Try different ones, and you're sure to find what yours is, and it will bring you lots of pleasure.